How to reset my eyes password without losing everything. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Snapchat on a device. Now tap on gallery icon or simply tap on memories. Now before starting the video, let's go to the process of setting up my eyes. Now next to stories, simply tap on my eyes. Now tap on setup. Now simply create a passcode. Again create a password. Now once you create a password, you can see it's clearly written. I understand that if I forgot this passcode, Snapchat won't be able to recover my passcode or my Snapchat. Now once you select it, tap on continue. My eyes. Now when you go to my eyes and tap on options at the bottom right corner, now as you can see you can find the option for forgot passcode. Now tap on it. Now tap on next. Now as you can see, when you try to reset your passcode, you will lose all of your snaps. Even if you try to contact the Snapchat support, they won't be of any help for you. So unfortunately, once you forgot my eyes password, you won't be able to recover without losing all access to the snaps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.